What's up guys, this is Devin with Repair My Funnel, and in today's video we're going to walk you through how to have a downloadable asset inside of your funnel in ClickFunnels 2.0. So to start things off, what you're going to want to do is obviously make sure you have that downloadable asset somewhere on your computer to then put inside ClickFunnels. And once you've checked that box, let's head over to ClickFunnels real quick and let's go down to the workspace settings. Once we're in the workspace settings, you're going to see a bunch of stuff here on the left hand panel. The only thing you're going to want to pay attention to is the My Assets tab. Once we click that, ultimately what you're going to want to do is just decide what kind of asset you're going to be uploading here. Whether it's going to be an image, course video, downloads, audio file. There's a bunch of stuff going on here, but in this video what we're going to focus on specifically is downloads. And so if we go to the download section, what we'll go ahead and do is go ahead and click where it says upload file. Now once you click upload file, you're going to go ahead and give this a name. I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Now once you've given it a name, go ahead and upload the file. So click this button here. Now I just have a random image here that I'm going to use for this example, but of course if you had an actual PDF, you're going to want to use that instead. And then the preview image, this is something to just kind of tell you what it is that they are actually downloading. So you can have a reference point for your download here. So I'm going to go ahead and select something. So you'll go ahead and upload an image. For this case, I'm just going to upload the same image, but assuming maybe you had like a cover photo for the PDF, this would be a good place for it. So let's click open. Once you do so, you'll see that you have the uploaded file here in your account. You'll also see that you have the preview image there as well. So once we've done this, go ahead and click create file. Once you've clicked create file, your asset is successfully in your account. Now it's time to just get this asset in your funnel. What I suggest doing at this step is actually duplicating your tab that you have open, and you're going to see why here in just a sec. So what I do here on a Mac is just 2 fingers to right click and essentially go down to duplicate. Once we've duplicated this tab, let's go ahead and find the funnel that we're going to put this asset in. So I'm going to go ahead and open that now. But basically what you're going to want to do is just head out of here. Go up to the funnels tab. We're going to find a funnel that we're essentially going to mess with. In this case, I'm going to select this funnel here, and let's go ahead and go to edit page. Essentially what you're going to want is like a button or something that you can actually add a link to. So if there's not already a button on this page, which looks like there is, you would go ahead and add one. If you need to add a button somewhere on your page, let's say a thank you page, you can add elements and then go down to the form elements and select the button element there. But in this case, we already have a button, so I'm just going to utilize it real quick. So we're going to actually mess with the action here on this button. This button right now is set to open a pop-up. We're going to take that action, so we're going to go into the settings and we are going to tell it to go to. Now we're going to leave this alone for now, and we're actually going to go over to our downloads tab that we have open here. And we are going to click on the asset that we have uploaded. Once we do that, let's go ahead and 2 fingers on a Mac or right click on a PC, copy link address. Now this is a very important step, and let me tell you why. The thing is, if we don't just copy the link address and keep this on our clipboard, and we take that link address and let's say we paste it into a new tab, what you'll notice is, if we can get to the very beginning of it, this link right here, what it has is it has your subdomain attached to it. This is kind of like the pass key to give somebody access to that asset. The problem is, if I press enter, you'll notice that it actually changes to the CF2 private production. Now the thing about this kind of link is if we put this into a button, it'll work only for a period of time, and then you'll notice that people will actually go to the link and they'll hit a dead end. So what we want to do simply is we want to go to the downloads tab here, 2 fingers on a Mac to right click, or just right click on your mouse for a PC, and we're going to go to copy link address, and we're not going to paste it anywhere except for inside the funnel itself. So we're going to go directly to this button. We are going to go ahead and paste the URL that we see on our clipboard here, and you'll notice it has the actual subdomain of your account in it as well. I highly recommend in this case for PDFs and stuff like that to actually check this box down here that says open in a new window. But if you want it to open in the same tab or window when somebody clicks it, you can just uncheck this box, but I'm going to keep it checked. Let's go ahead from here and save the page at the very top. And then if we go ahead and preview, what we should then see when we click on this button is it should open that asset that we've created. So in this case, it's that image that I mentioned. For you, you should see a PDF or something similar. But that's pretty much it, guys. This successfully shows you how to create a downloadable asset inside of ClickFunnels 2.0 and use it inside of your funnel. I truly hope you enjoyed this training. If you want to see more trainings like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any updates from Repair My Funnel. If you're unfamiliar with who Repair My Funnel is, we are a done-for-you tech support service. If that's something you guys are interested in, be sure to go to repairmyfunnel.com/support-expert to get started today. Otherwise, I'll see you guys on the next one.